Isola, a very unique and popular Oriki. And it is also the same, exactly the same thing as Asola. So I'll be talking about Isola and Asola together. Who is an Isola? The breakdown of the name is Iseola, and when we join it together, it becomes Isola. She means to do, to perform an action. Ise is a noun, the performance of an action, or simply an action. Ola is nobility, prestige, being highly esteemed. Ola is honor. That is why the Yoruba word for honorable is Ololajulo. So the name is Iseola, but rendered poetically, it becomes Isola. And what does it mean? Isola is the bringer of honor, the facilitator of prestige. Ọmọ tó ń ṣe ọlá. But even that doesn't really come close to scratching the surface of the meaning of that very beautiful name. On a profound level, it is a child who shall be featured in the performance of many achievements that is given that Oriki. This is also the child called Asola, Asesheola, a child that shall feature in many feats. The family into which this child has been born shall experience many breakthroughs as a result of having the child. When they have their big breaks, when mighty things happen, it shall be clear to all members of that family that Ọlá Isola là ń jẹ, ọlọ́lá tá a jẹ́ lójú ọmọ aráyé, iyì tá à ń fòrèkóòrè gbà láwùjọ àwọn ọmọ ènìyàn, ọpẹ́lọpẹ́ Asola nínú ẹbí wa. And Isola is an aṣokùnfà ìṣe ọlá, abọ́lárẹ́, abá iyì tán, ọmọ tó jọjú. Isola dé, ọlá rọ̀ wá o, ọlá ṣẹ̀, ó tù wá lára bí ìrì. That is the meaning of Asola. Wàá Ṣere.